Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit page label in a PDF file using PDF element software. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDFelement. Now click on this page thumbnail option and this PDF file is page labeling and I'll change or edit this page label. Click on this page thumbnail and right click from your mouse and select page labels and this page label dialog box now open. I'll select specific all page and I remove this prefix and I'll say this stud. I'll add this Roman numeric number alphabetic capital Roman numeric number and simply select apply and see this Roman numeric number now added and page level now change. In this way you can change all of this page labeling or specific pages and finally select this file option save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.